All right, in this video, I'm gonna go over exactly how to get on the first page of Google within 24 hours every single time. Yeah, don't believe me, watch this video. All right, for those of you who don't know me, my name is Michael Tandrich. In my 20s, I built a 7-figure marketing agency. And in my 30s, I'm giving all those marketing strategies away for free through my email newsletter called The Midweek Marketer. If you'd like to sign up for that, click the link in the description below. Like I said in the beginning, let's talk about how to get on the first page of Google for whatever topic you want every single time within 24 hours. And if you don't believe me, try it after this. I actually wrote about this in that newsletter that I just mentioned, and this is the response I got from one of the people that signed up for my newsletter. And if she's able to do it, then I can guarantee that you can do it too. All right, before we dive into the exact strategy, let me talk to you a little bit about how this works. Google is the largest search platform in the world. So what that means is that whenever someone's searching for something, whether that be a local business or information on something, they're going typically to Google to look that information up. And what that means is, as a business owner or as a marketer, you wanna make sure that your content is right there on the first page every single time. So when someone searches up specific terms, they're called keywords, your information comes up first. Now there's different types of SEO, which is search engine optimization. So that means you're optimizing something and trying to get it in the first page with ranking on Google. And typically what a lot of people do is they'll type up blog posts or type things in ChatGPT or make sure their header tags really well and all that kind of stuff to make sure their keywords are placed within their blog posts and their header tags, and they have a bunch of backlinks and all this stuff, and fingers crossed that you rank on the first page. The problem is majority of people are doing that strategy, and it works. You can get on the first page of Google. However, there's a more strategic way to go about it, and it's a lot faster than doing that. So Google's been integrating in forums. So what this means is it goes through Reddit, it goes through Quora, and it finds the keywords that someone's searching and pops those Reddit posts and Quora forms up. However, they've been pushing Reddit really hard for specific keywords, and this is where your strategy is. So let's dive into it. In this example, let's say you are a wedding photographer and you service the Nashville, Tennessee area. The first thing you want to do is go to Reddit and find a subreddit about Nashville. Again, this can work for any business, but the point is you want to find a specific subreddit to the topic that you're about to post about. Now, before you make a post in this subreddit, the next thing you want to do is you want to go to Google Keyword Planner. It's completely free, and if you don't have time to do this, that's okay, but it gives you a little bit of an edge when making your posts. Now, what you want to do with the Google Keyword Planner is type in wedding photographer in Nashville, Tennessee, and see what the search traffic is. It will also give you suggested other keywords. So maybe the best Nashville, Tennessee wedding photographer is another keyword, and that actually has more search terms or searches than wedding photographer in Nashville, Tennessee. Take that keyword, and that's where we're gonna go to the third step. You're gonna create a post in that subreddit. So this subreddit, again, is a Nashville, Tennessee subreddit. So this is like overheard in Nashville, Tennessee, or what's happening in Nashville, Tennessee, or something like that. And what you wanna do is you wanna take the keyword that you found in Google Keyword Planner and create a post in this subreddit. So let's say the keyword is best Nashville, Tennessee wedding photographer. And so what you wanna do is you wanna create a post that says best Nashville, Tennessee wedding photographer ? And then you want to add a description and make it look super organic. So you say in the description, hey, I'm looking for a wedding photographer in Nashville, Tennessee. Which one do you guys suggest? And then what will happen is people will start commenting underneath that post. They can go an extra step and log into Reddit again as your business account and comment underneath this post and say, hey, our wedding photographer company is great. So making it look even more organic. Now, this is the key part. What you want to do is you want to wait a couple days, give it like 3 to 4 days. And after those 3 or 4 days, type the word edit, semicolon, and then thanks everyone for commenting. I went with this photographer, and then list your website. This specific strategy, bar none, will get you on the first page of Google pretty much every single time. Now, it's based off a couple things. So interactions on the post, how often you have your keyword within that subreddit post. But the point is that what Google's been doing is been pushing these forums. And so whenever someone types on Google, best Nashville, Tennessee wedding photographer, they type that specific keyword into Google, your Reddit post is going to pop up. Someone's gonna click it because it looks super organic, read the description and say, oh, they ended up going with this wedding photographer, boop, and they click through to your website. And the reason this works really well is because it looks super organic. It's not just another SEO blog post about, hey, this is the best wedding photographer on the planet, and it's actually your website. No, the point is that people are going to Reddit, a platform that they trust, to go and get opinions on who is the best wedding photographer in Nashville, Tennessee. But you hacked the system, you hacked the Google algorithm and ranked first with Reddit to do that and made it look super organic. I've done this exact thing with my midweek marketer newsletter. I've ranked multiple posts in subreddits for my newsletter, and I get people signing up for my newsletter through that. That person that I screenshotted at the beginning, she did it with her business. I do it for a couple clients that we have. The point is that this strategy works really well. Now, I will make one quick side note on this. During this step in the Google Keyword Planner and you're looking up keywords, type those keywords into Google. If they're very ad heavy type keywords, what's gonna happen is Google's gonna end up pushing those ads more than the Reddit post. So look up a couple different keywords. What you want to find, the sweet spot, is finding a specific keyword. So best Nashville wedding photographer or best Nashville, Tennessee wedding photographer. And you type that into Google and you'll see Reddit posts right there at the top. That's the sweet spot. What I have found is to find that really sweet spot, you kind of have to go to keywords that are a little outside the range. So it might not be best wedding photographer in Nashville, Tennessee. It might be who's everyone's favorite wedding photographer in Nashville, Tennessee. And it's more of like a broad, larger keyword, and then you'll see those type Reddit posts. All right, so that's the hack to get on the first page of Google pretty much every single time and within 24 hours. I've done it. I've had multiple people within my newsletter do it and have success with it. If you'd like to sign up for my midweek marketer newsletter, the email goes out once a week. You get one actual marketing strategy I'm using with my clients. If you'd like to sign up for that, it's completely free. Click the link in the description below. Thanks for taking the time to watch the video. If you'd like to watch the last one, click here. If not, I will see you in the next video.